Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Netflix error code tvq-st-122? The error reads, Netflix has encountered an error. And as per the official information shared by Netflix, this error occurs because of any network connectivity problem which is stopping your device from reaching Netflix service. Now let's come to fixes for this error. The first fix is to restart your device with the internet. Start by powering off your router by unplugging the power cord from the wall outlet. Patiently wait for about 1 to 2 minutes, then plug in the power cord back into the wall outlet and wait for the router to fully start. Now head over to any internet speed test website to check if your internet connection is stable with good speed. If your internet is stable and has good speed, verify if the error with Netflix still exists. If your internet has any issues, it's time to contact your internet service provider. The second fix is to ensure you are using default connection settings. If you're using a VPN or any proxy, consider disabling them. If you've recently changed your router DNS to custom, consider switching back to the default DNS. Once you're back to your default internet connection settings, check if the error persists or if it gets resolved. The third fix is to visit netflix.com on a web browser. If you're experiencing this error on your laptop, PlayStation, Roku, set-top box, smart TV, and so on, follow these steps. Pick up your smartphone or laptop and open your browser. Ensure you're connected with the same Wi-Fi as the device having the issue. From your web browser, go to netflix.com/clearcookies and sign in to your account with the right credentials. If you encounter the error code NSEs 403, it means there's a temporary issue while connecting to your Netflix account. You'll need to wait for some time and try again. If you don't encounter any errors, it's time to contact the Netflix customer support team. The fourth and final fix is to check the Netflix server status. Before contacting the Netflix support team, consider verifying if there are any issues with their services. If Netflix service is down, wait for some time till it gets back to normal and then try again. If the Netflix service is functioning without any issues, we would recommend you to get in touch with Netflix support to report this error. Remember, the key steps to resolving the Netflix error code, tvq-st-122, are to restart your device with the internet, ensure you're using default connection settings, visit netflix.com on a web browser, and check the Netflix server status. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit Quaries.com.